is 25th February and this video is about 25th February, that what happened in the history of the science on today. So if you want to know that, watch this video till the end. So the first important event that happened on 25th Feb was British atomic bomb. At Sellafield on the Irish Sea coast in Cumberland, the Windscale plutonium plant began operation. That Britain was developing nuclear weapons was not made public until a few days earlier Mr. Prime Minister Winston Churchill had announced to test the first British-made atomic bomb at the Montebello Island of the northwest coast of Australia. The next important scientific event was check photography. So in 1930, the first bank check photographing device patent was issued in the US to its inventor, Mr. George Lewis McCarthy, who called it a checograph. The next important scientific event was telephone. So, I would like to inform you that in 1927, a conversation between parties in San Francisco, California and London established a new telephone long distance record of 7,287 miles. It is a picture of the event that happened on 25th February. So the next important scientific event was Hudson River Tunnel. It was the first large-scale tunneling project under a major American river, and commuters began traveling between Manhattan and Hoboken in just 10 minutes. And you know guys, this tunneling project took more than 30 years to complete this project. The next important event was power vacuum cleaner. I think we all know that vacuum cleaner is an electronic device which uses suction force to suck up dust from a flat surface. So, British inventor Hubert Cecil Booth was invented the first vacuum cleaner, which is demonstrated to a royal audience at Buckingham Palace on 25th February 1902. The next important event is petrol-fueled car crash. So, the first petrol-fueled car crash was occurred at the Grove Hill, Harrow, England, in which Mr. Sewell, that was a driver, was killed on the spot. About a year earlier, on 12th Feb 1898, Henry Linfield lost control of an electrically driven vehicle and was the first person to die as a result of a car crash. The next important event was electric motor. Mr. Thomas Davenport patented the first practical electrical motor as an application of magnetism and electromagnetism to propelling machinery. The rotating electromagnets have cores of soft iron wound with copper wires, insulated with layers of silk, and he had his first success with his invention on 27 November 1834. The next important scientific event that was occurred on 25th February, that is Galileo renounces. We all know about Galileo. He was the Italian philosopher, astronomer and mathematician who made fundamental contribution to the science of motion. And he has been called the father of observational astronomy, the father of modern physics, the father of the scientific method, and the father of modern science. In 1616, the minutes of the Inquisition recorded that following the judgment by the Freiherr theologians against the opinions of the mathematician Galileo on the heliocentric model, Pope Paul V ordered Cardinal Bellarmine to summon Galileo and in person warn him to abandon his assertion that the earth moves around the sun. The next day, on 26 February 1616, Galileo was ordered by Bellarmine to give up altogether the false doctrine, and if you should refuse, you should be imprisoned. Given such a choice, Galileo made a re-announcement, but he knew that would not change the real facts of the Earth's motion. These are the names of the scientists who were born on 25th February. The first one is Hugh Asmer Huxley, Leo Astrimovich, John J. Bittner, William Thomas Asbury, Ida Noddick, Forbes Levin, Sir Thomas Bosch, Giovanni Battista Morgagni. These are the names of the scientists who have passed on 25th February. The names are C. Everett Koop, Glenn T. Seaberg, Theodore H. E. Swedberg, Morris Foreman, Melville J. Herskovitz, Sergei Nikolaevich Vinogradsky, George Richard Minot, Alexander Logie Dutoit, Louis Pashkin. The next are Elizabeth Gertrude Knight Britton, James Gale, Marshall Auguste Delafoy, Charles Edwin Bessie, Stele McCoy, Thomas Wright, Stephen Gray, Sir Christopher Wren. These are the scientists who have passed on 25th February. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like, comments and subscribe our channel. And please share this video to your friends who were born today and who want to know what happened in the history of the science today. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.